good. Why do you have the hazards on or the blinker on?
I don't know. You left it on.
What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. This is going to be our new channel called Life of Hulo. It's mostly going to be cars. We're going to do some shoes here and there, but I can kind of show you the car that I bought, which is a 2000 Mazda Miata. Here's Tyler. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so what I paid for it was pretty much, what did I pay? 32?
Oh, it was right around there, yeah.
So the guy had it listed at 38. I talked him down. We had a check engine light. We fixed that.
Okay.
But we did take the muffler off for fun. If I can show you where it's disconnected under the car. Yeah, right there. You probably shouldn't start it yet because I'm right on it, but yeah, so I paid about around 32. I've probably put maybe 500 in parts.
What we've done
With the
spark plugs, O2 sensors, which we think the O2 sensor was the engine light issue.
Yeah, so
you know, all the most of the fluids, some cleaning here and there, even though it's still pretty dirty on the outside.
yeah,
The valve cover gasket, which didn't cost much. That was just, that was exciting.
all right, let's start it up. Let's figure it out.
Think she'll fire up right away?
Probably not.
We
Cold.
can't drive it because she's got no plate on it.
Yeah, you don't know what state we're in. Oh god.
Good?
Yeah, we're good. Why do you have the hazards on or the blinker
I
on?
don't know. You left it on.
All right, let's back it up.
Look at how shiny it looks.
So today what we're gonna do is the clutch slave cylinder, I believe it's called. Not 100%. We have like a little squeaking noise in the engine. I watched a couple other videos to figure out if that is the issue. And we're gonna just change it. So I can kind of show you what we got. Got a couple things right here. Lithium grease. Just trying to explain it.
Loud?
No, it's not loud at all. It's so loud.
I couldn't see it. It was so bright.
Well, I was trying to explain that we're doing the clutch.
Probably should have pulled around it. Just shut it off.
Okay, yep, just shut it off. So what we're gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna show you these. I got the brake fluid, which apparently is supposed to go in there. Like I said, not exactly 100% sure what we're doing. We're gonna show you this. If I can take it out. There you go. Looks like that. I don't know what I'm looking at, but we're gonna change it today. And
I wish you show them the squeaky clutch. Should turn back on now?
no, I told him, so
It squeaks, and we're gonna make it not squeak.
yeah. So next part of the video you're gonna see is us probably under the car and trying to fix it. I think we have to take this wheel off. I think it's around here.
On that side, right?
I think it's around this side. Okay, I can't see shit. All right, we'll be back. This is not gonna turn out too well. Just don't do this. Actually buy a pump. This is not what you want to do. This is if you're lazy and you forget to buy the shit. Yep. This is actually working a lot better than I thought. Alright, got it off. I have it in my hand. It's leaking everywhere.
Didn't make too much of a mess.
No, but
It was just two 12s and then the 110 millimeter to get the line off.
fun part is we're gonna have to lift the car up and then.
Are we doing the slave cylinder next, or?
Yeah, before
we put this back on.
Yeah, before we put this back on.
All right. So we're gonna get the car up, then get the wheel off and go from there. So Kyle was just trying to put the slave cylinder back in. He's like, why isn't it fitting? He proceeds to push it and squirts it everywhere. Don't do it again. It got all over the container. We made a mess.
It's all over the brake. You're not gonna be able to stop.
You're good. You got it on your leg. Oh, it's on your leg.
I'm okay.
Well, that's the old one. There's no point doing that now.
Okay, so we have to put the new line in first then. That's how you get this cylinder to squish down. Just like
with the rubber cap on it, probably won't yet. So you have to put that on first.
All right, let's try.